You probably already know how to find books at the UHeart libraries, but what if we don't have what you need? To search for materials owned by other libraries, we use WorldCat. Sadly, that's not a database of all the world's cats. It stands for Worldwide Catalog. It lists materials held by thousands of libraries around the world. The easiest place to access WorldCat is on the Allen Library homepage in the Find Books, Music, Recordings, and Plays section. Just click the link to WorldCat to open it. Note that there is a different version of WorldCat you may find if you search for it on Google. That one looks like this. This is a free version, which will not always show you the correct or complete results, so always use the one linked from the library website. It should say First Search at the top. WorldCat works pretty much the same as the UHeart catalog, so you can use the same techniques to search in either one. We're looking for a book by Helen Payne called Dance Movement Therapy. In the search box, we'll enter the title and the author's last name. So, Dance Movement Therapy, Payne. Down here is where we choose the format. This one is a book, so I'll click Books, and then Search. You'll probably get more results here than what you would find in the UHeart catalog, so be extra careful that you find exactly what you're looking for. We can match the title, author's name, and date. So the first one has the wrong title. The second one is an older version, but here's the one we want, the third one. And just like in the UHeart catalog, we get more information by clicking on the title and looking at the detailed record. Here we'll have a summary, a list of chapter titles, and much more. We can even see how many libraries own the item, where it says libraries worldwide that own item. Once you find what you need, you can request materials to be delivered here through a free interlibrary loan service. To do so, click the link to ILL this with ILLiad at H. If it's your first time using ILLiad, you'll need to set up a free account. Otherwise, log in with whatever username and password you created the first time. Then it will automatically fill in the book information from WorldCat. Just make sure to check the Cancel if not received by this date. We try to get the item to you as fast as possible, but if it takes a while for other libraries to respond, we'll stop trying to find it after this date. Then just click Submit Request at the bottom of this page. And that's it. You'll receive an email notification when the item comes in.